Hi guys, so today we are going to try to get like the Roblox filter right. Like get the bear thing, I don't really know, but let's try. Fingers crossed. So let's try. Maybe this can be it, like maybe like that. Okay, let's try. Oh no. Okay, let's try. Okay, maybe like that. Maybe like that. Hopefully. No, smiley face. Okay, let's try again. Okay, maybe it's like. Oh, it's so like glitchy. I got the dog head. I mean, that's close enough, but am I right? I think we got the final product because I kind of don't want to get the bear thing because that's too hard, and Adopt Me dogs are my favorite, so